Jidu Pajai. And you make any no correct. A few there are 3 places the enemy want to shift so many people. Ghana come. I'm going to prove it from the Bible.
Okay.
I'm the me panche. Ni dikenya obon some person or shifting nipa bebre efi their homes. And nothing are starting now with America. Hollywood. Nipa omo stars are binomo danye millions of dollars. Millions of dollars. Obama, ejad them
from their homes.
From their home. I mean, the first place the devil want to shift you or people from is their home. The plan of the enemy is to invade homes so that people will run and hide in their houses. The difference between a home and a house. Until you have a compound house, any compound home. I'm telling you to
shifting them from their homes to their houses.
Their houses. And now, who free has here? I'm going home. I'm gonna say. And body way is the house for the spirit. Who say pa? You say go home. You went home. That's where you are going to rest. Your resting place is your home. Them gonna say. And now, when him say, we need to do ya. No, we need to do to two. Now, are you cool? Because the spirit is in the home.
Okay.
And the house is struggling.
Oh dear.
Obama, they are making what?
My name is now home, ne house, no. I feel I'm making
yeah, and no thing. There's no there's no way I will be your baby now. Can now be actually on RIP. That be and you're possible. But that will be when baby a rubber corner near actually RIP. Rest in perfect because now you are going home.
Check it
out. You are checking out. So you are going home to rest forever. Them gonna oh yeah. Instead of that is why we have compound houses and not compound homes, where the devil can bring fight at any time he wants. Young homes, but compound house no do your farm
young cool homes.
They don't fight in homes,
but we fight in compound.
Oh yeah, and one thing estate development. Only a nice home. Now young can say a home this home that a whole do be near young sebi sunlight and a nature say we young count no sunlight. I tell you and a band out before say what I do.
House.
I'm telling people something happen right now. Air Course for America and Ghana. Will be able to protect it from the beginning of the year. When you stop politicizing something, we get correct answer.
Okay.
Sure. The moment you bring politics in, it become a Bremen game. Not the enemy stays somewhere. It is easy for armed robbers to attack, to break into houses and take whatever they want, but it is difficult to break into someone's home because homes are more secure than compound houses. That is why the enemy want to shift you from your home.
Papa, I think they broke into the house.
Oh yeah,
but they don't break into the
yeah, you don't go to I'm not the way they broke into
the house.
Simmons house. They broke into Simmons house.
And not the home.
Not the home.
But a house no.
Well, because you'll be home. Yes, you'll be home. Me too says here. Be a Bemani alert to us here. When you do me one next year, there'll be alert here.
Your home.
Home. Oh, Casamete. Homes are more secure
than houses.
Now, compound house, what the CCTV camera, houses also represent family bloodline. That is why people always ask, how do you come from? And not home. Now, fear me no. Dem can what I say. Only say can na na obi na abrante o free bem. O free dem can what I say. Free bem. Ye free bem no fi. Nti ye hwe o fi ye na edi tem o Canada. Obama dem can what I say.
ofrifie bem
yeah
na je say o pese ohu
ni wo fi ho
wase
bo When this question is asked, the person is trying to find out your family background. It is difficult to find rest in the house. That is why when someone dies, it is said that they have gone home.
Yeah.
Now watch it. In Egypt, the people of Israel never had homes. They only have houses. In Egypt, for 400 years, the Israelites never had homes. They have houses that the Egyptian can break in and take them and do whatever they want. That is why God told them to apply the blood on their houses so that He can deliver them and let them into their homes. The American what now the second place when to house home is America. Many people's homes have been burned down to ashes. Many millions of dollars have gone down to the drain. Them can what I say. No, or she baby Hollywood now. Ghana or buy no one see home. No start a market. Market in your home. Market is your workplace.
Yes.
So the second place the enemy want to shift us as a Ghanaian. Americans, he's shifting their homes. Ghana, he want to shift many people from their workplace. Sunday say your point Nippon be sungu mi so nyagoro. Na mfi say nipa for say no modos. Nti ye de boss ho and he say ye gba for den na ya san be pesika. E de ma nipa wa bobra ne mako school. Tia wa de ase a wa wo no afi na wo san be sha bra bas.
You are shifting it from the
jumam. It's only baby because why you frustrated. Now watch this.
Yeah, watch it.
The second place the devil is trying to shift you and many people is their workplaces so that you will become dependent or beggar in the society. Anytime you have been shifted from your workplace, Obama, whether you like it or not, you become a dependent in life. Open for pajai.
No crap.
Therefore, person may come for.
No crap.
I don't come here because I am wasting my time. I have an assignment to tell my nation I am the seer. Them can what I say.
Yes.
And I just say, Mr. Dana, Trump, and to say, no, watch him the opposite way. I thank you.
President.
Trump. Thank you. I will start from church and I'll go to St. John's. It's a historical church. That is the place I took a picture and the stream media were mocking at me. I'm gonna bring me different. I'll go back.
Wow.
I'll start and my 100 days. I will my first day in office. I will sign 100 executive order. And I'm saying, oh, it's too much. But no, it's not too much.
Trump on the country.
Men American some energy. And some of I will sign over 100 executive orders, begin from the border and the deportation. I'm saying, Your Excellency, can I ask something? Many people sacrifice their life to come into this country. Why don't you give them time? At least 1 year, 2 years. Give them time, a deadline. All those who came into America illegally within 2 years, if you don't have papers, you better go home. But because they sacrifice their life, they will work hard and find something, and then go back and start life with. I don't hate for people. I don't hate people coming to America, but these people you weaponize. Where do you see? What by the Democrats weaponize?
Yes.
They weaponize
the immigrants.
They weaponize. That is why I'm angry. That's why I want to send them back. These people, they weaponize the immigrants. They weaponize them, and I become so angry. So for about 1 hour, this man, a secret about him is too serious.
Wow.
It may be cancer in the America. But if them can watch the devil want to shift out. You started your woman cantaman to get them. Accra. Grebe. Senano. The biggest market. What Ghana, when they're doing every May, Accra, Techima, Bunko. You think that there's something. And I will be a starting here to me. Will be a decided say and Friday and a match at dinner they buy. So say America, or must I issue order say America Jan from Nayan from Abaya. Because these people have all the machines, including helicopters.
And some
but they cannot stop the fire. It means something was behind it.
Eja to America ko na watwi mienu omuntumi nso ano. America o
baby I go tell ntumi nko. Meja na ehye nipa o ma wu say o manya 24 they will be more than 24.
The devil is shifting people.
The devil is shifting people from their homes. Oh, for them gonna please, so that you become a dependent. Anytime a man loses his job, he become another person altogether. Obama, then maybe I do me free. Me say they make a what I say.
Ususum be free umu.
Then me do me free in sape no lose everything. When you frustrated, or he's become another person altogether, he begin to hide himself from society and from his friend. Anytime a man loses his job, he hide himself from society and from his friend. Like Adam, when he lost his job, he hide himself from even God. One of the main strategy of the devil was to cause Adam to lose his job in the garden.